Sigma DSTV is a plugin from Sigmatech that allows you to convert 3D files into industry standard NC1 files directly from the SOLIDWORKS environment. Sigma DSTV works with native SOLIDWORKS files and imported files such as STEP and IGES. With support for single body parts with multiple part configurations, multi-body parts, assemblies and weldments, Sigma DSTV allows the user full control over which components are to be processed. Each part will be individually processed and an NC1 file output will be generated for each component, ready to be machined. Sigma DSTV will correctly orientate each component and output all information required, including profile code, contour and hole data. Extra information such as part material and SOLIDWORKS custom properties can be added to the file if required. When working with assemblies, advanced filtering options quickly remove non-sheet metal parts from the processing list. These settings can be saved for future use, allowing the user to output NC1 files for only the components required. Sigma DSTV will process each part individually, exporting an NC1 file for each component selected in the assembly file. With the addition of batch processing, predetermined settings can be applied to an entire folder of SOLIDWORKS parts, efficiently exporting NC1 files without the need to open each file within SOLIDWORKS. A customizable report can be generated to confirm the successful output of each file.